Healthcare REIT agreed to buy Sunrise Senior Living for $845 million. This is a company that Jim Cramer's had on Mad Money. Nicole Erkin kind of dug into the situation here. Were you surprised when you heard the deal, especially given the 62% premium they're paying?
Yeah, Sunrise Senior Living is a great play on what is the biggest demographic trend of our era, which is an aging population. In the next 20 years, the number of people over age 65 is going to double. So it will actually, that demographic will represent 20% of our population, up from 13% today. And Sunrise Senior Living is a great play, especially because it's focused on private pay. So there's less exposure to Medicare and some of the issues associated there. So, healthcare REIT, it makes a lot of sense. They are an acquisition growth story, or acquisition-oriented growth story, and this fits right in with their model.
Okay, now given that they are the private pay model, is it concerning that given that the baby boomers have went through this recent recession so recently, it's kind of made a dent in some of their savings for retirement? Is that a concern?
Yeah, Sunrise Senior Living is focused in areas that have higher income levels. So really they're immune to some of those issues. It's certainly a concern, but growth has been strong.
What are some other ways that you could play that aging population, because it is a big trend?
Yeah, the big focus in the market today has been on other senior facilities, skilled nursing facilities, and long-term care hospitals. That certainly is an area, but a little bit of a derivative play is Allergan, which is a biotech company and has a whole range of products from eye care business to Botox, which is very popular. Allergan really touches on this theme of getting older and wanting to look younger through a whole variety of products.
So the stock there is down 2.5%, I think, so far this year. Is it buyable right here then?
Yeah, it's definitely buyable. One thing that's really interesting about Allergan is it's optimized this pipeline and a product philosophy. So for example, it had a product called Lumigan, which helps glaucoma, which is an eye disease as you get older. And as people were using that, they found their eyelashes were growing, and then they came out with Latisse, which is an eyelash growth product. And they keep doing this. Botox, which is cosmetic, they're now using for migraines and also overactive bladder. There's a lot of opportunity here, and I would definitely be a buyer. It's at 18 times earnings with a 15% growth rate. Definitely a buy.
This market has fewer players.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going
to enter in a new stage of tech.
It's a stock picker's market.
Welcome to the 5 dumbest things.
Apple reported earnings.